Welcome to another new video. Today we'll explore how artificial intelligence and advanced analytics are revolutionizing PV plant operations. Can you imagine optimizing every aspect of your solar plant in real time? From predicting energy production to efficiently managing maintenance, AI and advanced analytics can help you maximize operational performance. Let's see how these tools can make your plant run more efficiently, reducing costs and increasing energy generation. Operational optimization refers to the use of data and advanced technology to improve the efficiency and performance of a PV plant. This involves not only maximizing energy production, but also minimizing operating costs and extending the lifetime of equipment. Production optimization focuses on maximizing energy generation through optimal adjustment of parameters such as tilt and orientation of the panels, periodic cleaning, and proactive maintenance. Maintenance management involves planning and performing maintenance activities at the right time, avoiding unplanned downtime and prolonging the lifetime of components. Financial optimization, balancing operating costs with revenues generated, optimizing cash flow and ensuring long-term profitability. Operational optimization is key to ensuring that your solar plant operates efficiently, sustainably, and profitably. Artificial intelligence offers powerful tools to optimize the operation of a PV plant in real time. Let's take a look at some of the most prominent applications. Predictive power generation optimization. AI can predict energy production based on weather and operational data, automatically adjusting operating parameters to maximize efficiency. Predictive and proactive maintenance. Machine learning models can identify early signs of component degradation, enabling maintenance planning before critical failures occur. Energy management and storage. AI can also optimize the use of energy storage systems, ensuring that energy is stored and distributed efficiently to maximize self-consumption and minimize grid dependency. AI allows the solar plant to dynamically adapt to changing conditions, optimizing every aspect of its operation. In addition to AI, advanced analytics provides valuable information that helps operators make more informed and strategic decisions. Here are some of its most important applications. Real-time monitoring. Advanced analytics enable real-time monitoring of critical parameters such as inverter efficiency, module temperature, and generated power. Interactive dashboards make it easy to identify problems and opportunities for improvement. Historical performance analysis. Analysis of historical data helps identify trends and patterns in plant performance, allowing operators to adjust operational strategy to improve efficiency. Scenario modeling. Advanced analytics also allows modeling different operational and financial scenarios, assessing the impact of possible decisions before implementing them. Advanced analytics provide deeper insight into plant performance, enabling data-driven decisions that improve operation and profitability. There are several tools and technologies that facilitate the integration of AI and advanced analytics in the operational optimization of PV plants. Let's take a look at some of the most effective ones. Advanced SCADA with AI. Advanced SCADA systems with AI capabilities enable real-time plant monitoring and control, integrating machine learning algorithms for continuous optimization. Predictive analytics platforms. Platforms such as Spark Cognition and Predix use predictive modeling to anticipate failures and optimize plant operation based on real-time and historical data. Data visualization tools. Tools such as Power BI and Tableau facilitate the creation of interactive dashboards that allow operators to visualize plant performance and make informed decisions. These tools integrate AI and advanced analytics to provide smarter and more efficient monitoring and control of plant operations. As we have seen, artificial intelligence and advanced analytics are powerful tools to optimize the operation of photovoltaic plants. If you want to know how to implement these technologies in your project and maximize its operational performance, contact me on LinkedIn. I will be happy to help you take your solar plant to the next level. With the help of AI and advanced analytics, you can ensure that your plant runs optimally, efficiently, and cost-effectively. Don't wait to optimize your operation.